Meaning of inbounds.
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 Inbounds. The term inbounds usually refers to the area of a basketball court where the ball is passed in from out of bounds. It is a critical part of gameplay as it allows teams to maintain possession of the ball and continue playing the game. Inbounds plays are often used strategically to create scoring opportunities or to advance the ball up the court. The ability to execute successful inbounds plays requires skilled coordination among the players. Overall, inbounds play is an essential aspect of basketball that adds to the excitement and strategy of the game.